Hi everyone, this is Sophie and welcome to my channel PinkSugarCotton. Today I will be showing you how to make this cute Alice in Wonderland chibi using polymer clay. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my upcoming tutorials. I upload new videos every week. We are going to start by cutting a rectangle of a flattened piece of blue clay and then folding all the way along like this. Then you have to join both ends of your folded piece and cut out the excess on the top. This way you will have a 3D skirt instead of a flat part at the back. I'm also going to show you two other different ways to create a 3D skirt. First, you need to make the base, shaping a piece of clay into a cone and trimming out a small portion on the top. If you want to turn your piece into a charm, then this is the time to attach a hairpin. Now start folding shorter pieces of clay and attach them around the base. This will allow you to have a better control on how the ruffles of the skirt will look. The other way is to roll thin tubes of clay and attach them one by one around the base until it's fully covered. For the upper part of the dress, make a cylinder and attach it above the skirt. Then smooth the joints using a silicone tool. Once you're done, trim out the excess. Now make a sphere using flesh color and attach it to the top of the dress by going through the hairpin. Make the legs by rolling white clay into a tube and pinch up the bottom to form the feet. Then attach them on the base of the dress and secure with a small piece of wire to prevent them from falling apart. For the apron, make a half circle of white clay and attach it to the front part of the dress. Then attach a small square on top of it and smooth. Now roll out a snake of clay and wrap it around the skirt. To make the arms, roll a tube of flesh clay and make a diagonal cut. Then attach on both sides of the dress. For the sleeves, just flatten an oval piece of blue clay and place it on the top part of the arm. Then blend the joints. Now add tiny holes around the apron using a needle tool and bake according to your package instructions. I didn't film the part where I'm making the face, but you can check other of my chibi tutorials to see how I do it. For the hair, flatten a ball of yellow clay and wrap the head with it. Then smooth it out until you're happy with how it looks. Now add some texture to the front part of the hair using a needle tool. Make the headband by rolling a snake of black clay and then making it flat. Place it on the top part of the hair and add a tiny bow for the final touch. Give your piece a final bake and then add some blush using chalk pastels. Lastly, bend your headpin to one side and then use round pliers to create the loop. And now we're done! Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this.